Hi friend, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I will show you how to rank Fiverr gig on the first page. You know Fiverr.com is a global freelancing marketplace to sell online services from the comfort of your home. If you are a beginner, this video is for you. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe and click the like button. First, select a low competition Fiverr gig. It helps you to rank easily the low competition. If you want to watch my videos about low competition Fiverr gig, I put in the description below. Watch this video. Second, use keywords in your gig title, in your tag. Let's show you. This is gig is ranked on the top of the page. Let's show you tag it was used. You see, related to tag, you can use these keywords as a tag. Number 3, use expliner video in your gig. Gig with video get 40% visibility in search and 220% engagement. Let's show you this gig with a video.
And I specialize in helping businesses to grow online through effective digital marketing. Working with
this gig ranked on the first page. You see, this gig ranked provided. Number 4 is when you design your gig thumbnail, make it attractive to grab attentions of people to click. Customers use Canva to create gig thumbnails. Let's show you thumbnails design gig. You can order with my link in the description below. Number 4, improve your skills. Take an exam on Fiverr. Let's show you. You see, learn on Fiverr to upgrade your skills. Online freelancing in the session B. I'm already learned, and you get this badge. And I take a test taken. This badge will be given to you. Number 5, improve your response time. It is very important to respond to your customers. Download Fiverr mobile app. You will get it notification and respond quickly and deliver your projects on time. You see my response time 50%. I late responded last time for my customer. You have to respond as much as possible fast. The last tip is promote your Fiverr gig on social media, like on Facebook groups. You can get different social Facebook groups. Fiverr boost, Fiverr promotion and exchange. You see 164,000 members in this group. You can promote your services like this. And on Pinterest you can promote like me. You see, this is my service thumbnail design, Fiverr gig thumbnail design. You can order my gig. I will put it in the description below. Let's show you by clicking this how I am promoting. You see how I am promoting. You see I am getting order, and you can promote on Instagram links. You can promote. This is my YouTube link. This is our today video. You can benefit from this. I hope. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. Let's See you in the next video. Bye.